नहीं नहीं नहीं, फिर से करना है, फिर से करना है, फिर से करना है. हाँ. Hello everyone, this is Twinkle and welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, this is Twinkle and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you 3 different ways of putting an eyeliner. The eyeliner which I am using is Maybelline Hyper Glossy. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Okay, sorry for bearing my zoomed face. The first way, which is very trendy nowadays, is using your eyeliner just in the outer corner, means not even touching till half, and start from mid. This kind of eyeliner is very trendy nowadays. It's very suitable for no makeup look or very natural look. And even if you don't like eyeliner, but if you'll put it, you'll feel very good. It gives a much defined look to your eyes. For the second look, I'll be just creating a wing out of it. So it will be mid half, then wing. If we'll make a thin line, it will be a thin wing, but if you will connect from here, will give you kind of cat eye look. For the third look, I'm just drawing lines in inner corners. So yeah, these were 3 very simple kind of eyeliner looks which give you a very nice pop-up on your eye. And yeah, these are very teenager friendly because very thin, very precise, and yeah, everyone just loves it.